guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shreya Kalra, and today we are doing a very fun episode with none other than भूमिका. तो ये है हमारे पिछले सीजन स्प्लिट्सविला की कंटेस्टेंट जो हार के वापस आ गई थी. But her personality is very vibrant and spicy, so I thought we should do this episode and we'll call it Never Have I Ever. We are doing something creative and new. Say hi, Bhumika, to your fans and my fans.
Hi everyone, this is Bhumika Vashisht and मैं पिछले साल की contestant बन चुकी हूँ Splitsvilla की, as Shreya is saying, and also मैंने हक दिया था semi-finale में, but anyway हम उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. But welcome to our channel and this is going to be fun because मेरे को never have I ever बोलने में बहुत दिक्कत होती है. तो खेलने में तो क्या ही दिक्कत होगी समझ नहीं आएगा. Also we are I am ready with this. What is it? Ooh la la. Do you want to?
Even I am ready with some vodka shots tonight.
Shots.
We are gonna be drunk.
हम मिल नहीं पा रहे हैं because I don't know why, because we are both poor people. Maybe I am just one. So today we are just gonna get drunk on a Zoom call.
I need sugar daddy. Sorry.
You already have one, right? You just got a sugar daddy right now. You're looking for one?
Yeah, I am.
Please send rishtas for both of us.
I will.
सिर्फ वो sugar daddies जो हफ्ते में मरने वाले हैं, please. Please. Before starting the video, I also want to introduce you guys to my recent favorite products that I got from Trail Shop. These mitts are from End and they make sure that I smell nice and stay fresh all day. And Pretty Vogue body mist that is crafted by Ajmal gives you an aura of freshness. These all body mists are very long lasting, and Trail ensures authenticity of these products by directly sourcing from authorized brand partners and distributors only. Also, the subtle, delicate, fresh floral smell of the body mist makes sure that I'm in a good mood. As you guys know, the wedding season is right here. This is the perfect time to refresh your vanity and get all your wishlist products in your cart at never before prices only at Trail Shop. Be it skincare, makeup, personal care, bath or body products, there's up to 70% off on all the amazing brands like Lakme, L'Oreal, Man Company, Maybelline, Mamaearth, and a lot more products. Also, you can use my coupon code to get extra 25% off on your order. The best part is there's free shipping all over India on all products. Sale has started on 20th November and trust me, you'll regret it if you don't purchase it now. So, go start shopping. Let's start the video! Never have I ever hooked up with someone from a reality show. Name, bitch.
Okay, you tell me the name, bitch.
No, first you tell me the name. Oh my god! I cannot reveal that, guys. Cut! Never have I ever used handcuffs or other implements. I'm jealous.
You should be.
I'm jealous. I've never done that. Okay, next. Never have I ever slept with someone of the same sex. Bro, you're just drinking. ये मेरे से पहले बंद हो जाएगी. चूसती रहे उसको. Never have I ever done in a public place. I've done it. Cheers.
Cheers.
Never have I ever farted in public. Have you done it?
No. Like,
I'm disgusting.
I don't recall it.
कभी चुपके कभी सरेआम होता है.
Never have I ever crashed a wedding.
What? किसी शादी नहीं हुई है मेरे ग्रुप में.
Done that.
Oh. क्या तुमने? What do you do?
Just been there and then they were like, you're not invited, fuck off. I was very young. Never have I ever hooked up with someone who was ugly just because I was horny. What? What?
I just say not.
Not attractive.
Yeah, not attractive. So.
did you have fun then?
Yeah, I make sure that I have fun. I don't make sure the other person will have or not.
What?
प्यारी समझ गई.
The main motive is that you get satisfied. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Great. Never ever ever fancied my friend's brother or sister.
My brothers.
Friend नहीं friend के brother और sister. किया है तूने? 2 मार ले. मेरे तो सारे अगली है, मेरे सारे दोस्तों के भाई बहन सब अगली.
I have kind of dated brothers.
Brothers, like both of them.
Both of them at a different time.
Okay, that is acceptable.
Yeah.
मैं acceptable तो ऐसे बोल रही हूँ जैसे मैं तो पूरा सती सावित्री हूँ और I'm like ठीक है, it's acceptable. Never have I ever flirted with someone to get a free drink.
Never.
No.
No, but like I'm that kind of person who will go alone to the club and order a drink, have it alone, and then like ठीक है आसपास कोई बैठा धक्का मार दिया मुझे अकेले enjoy करने दो.
नहीं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में दारू बहुत महंगी थी. I've done that. I wouldn't lie.
That is why मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं थी ना बेटा. Clubs का crowd you know.
Yeah. They'll be like, if I'm getting you a drink, you have to sleep with me. Have I ever had a threesome?
I did not.
You are fucking lying. I know. Okay, so the next question is, never have I ever lied in this game. I fucking knew it. Fucking knew it.
तुम तो बड़े हैवी ड्राइवर हो भाई.
मेरे को उल्टी आ रही है.
मैं ज़्यादा controversial हो जाऊंगी.
तभी मैं तेरे को दारू पिला के ये सब करवा रही हूँ.
अभी बता था भाई, अभी बता.
This bitch has a boyfriend now. ठीक है? मेरे पास वो भी नहीं है. अभी ये ड्रंक होकर उससे हुकअप करने जाएगी और मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूंगी? टीवी देखूंगी, नेटफ्लिक्स एंड चिल.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
I am literally Sati Savitri sometimes.
Oh yeah, sometimes. Just today.
Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
Never.
Never. Good boy.
You've gone on a blind date?
Never. No, never.
Okay.
किसी ने सेटअप ही नहीं किया है.
हमारे दोस्त काम के थोड़ी हैं. And what if that person is like very scary and like
Yeah, and serial no. Like I watch so many serial killer documentaries and like I'm on my mind कि blind dates तो कभी नहीं. Never have I ever creeped on X on social media.
मेरा एक्स मुझसे परेशान है, वो मुझे अब सू कर देगा. या तो वो मुझे सू कर देगा या मुझ पे सुसु कर देगा. यार YouTube से अपने घर वालों को ब्लॉक कैसे करते हैं मुझे जरा ये बताओ. तू पी गई क्या? नशे हो गया तुझको? नशे में वीडियो डिलीट मत कर देना.
नहीं करूंगी मैं दोबारा थोड़ी ना पीना है मेरे को.
क्रीम के साथ तो मुझे एक पिंपल हो गया आज कि नॉट शुगर.
ओके मैं लड्डू खाया था बूटी का.
मतलब ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन जिससे इनको घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
तो दिल्ली आना फिर.
आऊंगी यार बहुत जल्दी दिल्ली से है.
Ever kissed my girl best friend.
I have kissed a lot of girls. I've kissed on lips, not smooch, kiss. Girls think we are bangable. करना है करो. तुम अभी कल मर जाओगे फिर क्या करोगे? कर लो, अभी जाओ. ये वीडियो देखने के बाद जाओ, तुम किसी से भी कर लो. चल ठीक है, बॉयफ्रेंड है. मैं किसको कॉल करूं? एक्स को कॉल करूं?
That's for you. Never have I ever farted in front of a significant crush or a lover.
Have you?
Yeah.
I've pooped in front of my lover.
ये तो टट्टी है.
गंदी पूप, मतलब बहुत स्मेली पूप.
Never have I ever peed in the shower.
अरे आई हैव डन दैट बिच. मैं स्विमिंग पूल में सुसु कर देती हूँ. तुम
She is queen and bitches.
slay girl.
Ever got into a physical fight? Nikita! You know, had like that patience कि एक दूसरे को हम झेल सके. And one thing led to another. उसने मुझे मारा, उसने 3 बार मुझे मारा, then मैंने उसको मारा. बचकाना, वेरी बचकाना कि मैं अपने आप को कभी ऐसी पोजीशन में नहीं डालूंगी कि ऐसी कोई लड़कियां लड़ाई करे. Nikita is a case that it was so emotional. It was emotional and I didn't want to do. And she is cute. I want to say that. She
Yeah.
is so cute. She is cute. And sorry, Nikita, literally, I think many people told me that you have talked about how I have choked you. But sorry for that. I am sorry.
Are you really sorry?
Yeah, babe, I'm sorry. ठीक है, मतलब लड़कियों को like for girls, I don't think so. Girls should fight. Like,
This video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and
subscribe.
love you.
Mwah.